So I'm going to do the stage 2 questions, okay? Just do half of them, okay? Stage 2 questions, of course, they are more difficult, okay, than stage 1. So go to question 2, okay? Question 2. So read the questions. William, okay, deposit a sum of money. We don't know how much, but that would be the principal, right? 7%. This is all percent. Put the all percent there. He will receive among this, okay, 105,600. This is the amount. Put the A there, and the 4 years. This is T, okay. So find the sum of the money, okay, meaning that you have to find out the principal. Understand? So you let $P, okay, be the principal. Okay. So because you have A here, right? So you must use the A formula. Write this first. And then ask yourself, do you have I here? No. If you don't have I, you have to extend this, right? Extend this first. So what you have to find out the P, right? So you plug in all the things. First you have A, right? 105,600. P you don't know. This is what you have to find. And then P you do know. And then this is 7%. And then T, this is 4. Understand? So how to calculate the P? You have to calculate on this side first. Okay? So keep this P. Here, it is actually 0.07 times 4. Understand? And then P plus, then go to your calculator. It should be like this. Understand? 0.28. This is 1p plus 0.28. It becomes 1.28p. Understand? And then divide both sides by 1.28. Okay? Then you get the answer. Go to your calculator. Okay, we have this number. Okay? 82,500. So you can make conclusion. So the principal is 82,500. Understand? Always use the so-called equation to solve the problem. Understand? So next, let's go to question 4. Question 4. Sandy, okay, deposit 4,800. This is the P, okay, what the P there. And then 3%, see, this is our percent. How long? You have to find out the T, okay? If the simple interest is this is the I, okay? So you have to find out T. So let T, okay, be the deposit years, okay? So you have I, right? Use the I formula, okay? Write down the formula first and then plug in. The I number should be 1,548, understand? And then do you have P, right? You have P, right? And then 3% and then T. So calculate this side first, okay, 0.03 times T, and then go to your calculator. This is 144 times T. So now you can divide both sides by 144, okay? Okay, 11. That means 11 year, okay? So the number of years of deposit is 11. 11 years, understand? It's okay? Go to 6. 6. So Amy invest, okay, 640,000. This is the P, okay? And then 6 percent. This is the R percent, okay? How long you have to find out T. Receive amount. This amount is A, understand? So you have to find out T, right? So let T be the number of years. So A is given, right? You have the amount A. So you must use the A formula. Write this first. And then ask yourself, do you have the I? Do you have the I? No. So you can extend this formula. Okay? When you extend this formula, you can plug in something. Okay? Then this A would be this. Okay? The P would be 640,000. 640,000 times all percent, it should be 6%, right? And then T is what you have to find, is the T. So do this. So this times this, you can, if you're very familiar with the things now, you can just directly go to your calculator and do this, okay? So these two terms cannot plus together. So solve this equation, you have to minus this, okay, number, both sides, okay? Minus 640,000, both sides first, okay? Always go to your calculator. So you have this. And then divided both sides by 38,400. Okay. It will be 7. Okay. So the number of years of, this is not deposit but invest, okay? You can say investment is 7, okay? Meaning that it is a 7-year investment. Understand? Okay. So if we finish this, I will take it away and then keep moving. So let's go to question 8. Okay. Read the questions. Jenny borrowed a sum of money from a bank. 16%. This is all percent. Okay. After how many years? Okay, you have to calculate the time. T. Okay. She will repay double. Okay. Double sum of the money borrowed. This double is double of the principal. Understand? So you don't have so much information, but you only have the 16. Okay. So how to do? So always you have to find out the T, right? Let T be the number of years first. So you have to repay something, okay? Meaning that you have to repay the amount, understand? Not just interest or not just the principal, understand? So you have to use the A formula, understand? So do you have the I? No. So extend this. P times R percent times T, right? So here, next you want to plug in something, right? But you don't have A, you don't have P, okay? You just have R, but you don't have T. How to plug in? So read the last sentence, okay? She have to repay double the sum. What is that meaning? Meaning that this A would be double the principal, okay? that means the A would be replaced by 2p. Okay? Understand? So do this first. Okay? So at this stage, so what can I plug in? But you can do some very simple factorize here. Okay? So here you can divide both sides by p. Cancel the p. Understand? So at this moment, you can plug in the R% so that you can calculate the t. Meaning that during the calculation, you can actually cancel the p. Okay? This is the difficulty, okay, of this kind of questions. Okay? So now you can plug in the R% is 16%. Okay? So this one minus to this side 1. Okay? This, okay? Divided both sides by 0.16. Okay, go to your calculator. So you have this 6.25. Okay. So how many years is just so the number of years of borrowing is 6.25. Okay. So go to question 10. Vincent borrowed this amount of money. So this is P. Put a P there. Up to 2 years, this is T. Okay, he has to repay the amount. This is the A, right? On simple interest base, find the interest rate. You have to find out the percentage, right? The R%. So you have to let R%, okay, be the annual interest rate. So you have A there, right? You must start from the A formula. Understand? So do you have I? Actually, you don't have I. So you have to extend. Understand? So at this moment, you can plug in. So the amount is 68,200. Okay, 68,200 equal to the P is 55,000. 55,000 here times the R%. You have to find the number of years is 2. Understand? So next, calculate. So because these two terms cannot put together, so you minus both sides by this. Understand? Okay. And then here you can do a little bit things. Okay. This number times 2. Okay. This number times 2, you can do it at the same time. Okay. R%. Okay. Then you can save some steps. Next, calculate this. Go to your calculator. This will be 13,200. And then R% equal to this. Because this is percentage, so you have to times 100%. It's okay? So this 12%. So you can make the conclusion. Okay, so the annual interest rate is 12%. Understand? So I don't think this question 10 is difficult, but question 8 is indeed difficult, okay, to you. Understand? So I just finished doing the question in stage 2. You do the rest, okay? You do it now.